Towers for runway 2031, ILS 33.
Spirit 2831, Bradley Tower, runway 33, clear to land.
33 clear to land for runway 2031.
Spirit 2831, say Windsor Locks.
We're showing 296 at 7 knots.
Ward number 24 ready for departure.
Spirit 2831, taxi on Juliet Sierra, hold short of 24.
Juliet Sierra, short of 24 for runway 2031.
Piedmont 6037, runway 24, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 24, Piedmont 6037.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Hartford. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Carry-on items stowed until the aircraft has come to a complete stop at the gate and the captain has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as shift does happen. For those guests who may require special assistance, such as wheelchairs, please remain seated until the end of the deplaning process. This will allow us to better assist you. We invite you to visit Spirit.com for all your future travel needs, including checking in, choosing the lowest fare, and total price options. Thanks again for choosing Spirit Airlines.
Yeah,
It has been our pleasure having you on board.
1700
We hope to welcome you back again
Charlie,
soon.
cross
You may now
runway
use your cell
33.
phones if they're within reach.
Spirit 2831, cross runway 24 to the ramp.
That's 24 to the ramp for runway 2031.
Piedmont 6037, contact departure.
Oh, to departure, see you 637.
Spirit 2831, join the ramp prior to the maintenance vehicle for wet paint.
Okay, we'll join prior to the maintenance vehicle, Spirit 2031.